So in today's video, we're going to be increasing our dedicated video memory that's a part of our Intel iGPU. Now this is the integrated GPU that's a part of the processing chip of the laptop. It's usually a very low value, and if you're like me and you wondered, can you increase that value? You certainly can. And let's just take a look at what this laptop is currently using. So let's right click on the desktop. We're going to display settings, and then if you scroll down to the bottom to where it says advanced display, and then if you click on display adapter properties for display 1. So what I'm talking about is the dedicated video memory. Currently, it's only using 128 megabytes, and I've always wondered, can that be increased or improved? And I found a way to do that, and I'm going to show you a place in the registry where you can go to create a key that will up this value and improve the performance of the laptop a little bit. Let's go to the registry by right-clicking on the start menu and then go to run. Then we're typing in regedit. Now in the registry editor, we're going to need to go to this location. What you're going to do is copy it from the description, paste it in the registry editor, and it'll take you directly to the location where we're going to be creating the key. Every time I go to a section in the registry, I like to click on favorites and add it to favorites, and then give it a name so you know which location it is. So in the future, when you have to restart and then go back to this location in the registry, you can just go there by clicking on favorites and jump directly to that location if you have to make any changes or delete the keys in the future. So it's always good to have a backup of the registry just in case things don't work out correctly and something breaks. But now that we are in the correct place in the registry, what we're going to do is right click on this 0001, and we're going to do a new key, and we're giving it a name of GMM. Then in this section on the right, we're going to right click again. We're going to do new DWORD 32-bit value. This we're naming dedicated segment size, and I'm going to give it a small value of like 512. For these settings to get applied, you're going to need to restart the computer. After the computer comes back, we'll see what the number is. Now we're back in operating system. If we go take a look again by right clicking on the desktop, click on display settings, and then we go down to advanced display adapter properties, we can see the dedicated video memory definitely bumped up from 128 to 1536, which is a noticeable difference. If you're on an older laptop, your location in the registry might be a little bit different. So I'm going to put both of these values in the description of this video. The way I would do it, or the way I did it on this laptop, you set this key in this location first. If it doesn't work, then look for the second location afterwards and set that key there. And this is how I discovered that in the newer integrated Intel processors, the second key is the one that applies. The first one doesn't work. In some of the older laptops, you probably get away with using the first one, but if it doesn't work, use the second one. If you followed along, I hope you were able to improve some of your dedicated video memory on your laptop. And if you have, leave a like in the video if you found value in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.